How to create a PUBG mobile account, PUBG mobile sign up. So if you want to create a PUBG mobile account, after you launch PUBG game, there are many ways to create and sync your account with. You can create your account with your Twitter account or your Facebook account, or if you tap on more, you can create with Google, Discord, or using WhatsApp, TikTok, or even your Apple ID. But if you want to create an independent account that is only inclusive of your email and password, then tap on this option that says phone or email right here. So when you tap on it, you can see the login method, right? So this is for those who wants to log into their account, but we are trying to create a new account. So in order to create a new account, go to this option called verification code login. Now over here, just type in the email address that you want to use for your PUBG mobile account right here. And over here, now go to verification code, but we have not received a verification code, so we will tap on obtain. Now when we tap on obtain, PUBG Mobile will send us a verification code after you complete this human verification captcha. And let us wait and see after we receive our code. So once you enter the code, you can just tap on the OK button, and then you'll be able to successfully go ahead and then create your PUBG mobile account. This way you can create a PUBG mobile account. Hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.